Hi everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect to WMS Service, Web Feature Service and Web Coverage Service. These online services allow us to access maps, vector features and raster data directly from official servers. They allow us to visualize information and work with updated data without downloading large files. Let's start with the WMS Service. A WMS service provides map images streamed from a server so you can view maps without storing the data locally. In my case, I'm going to use the WMS service from raster and the pane photos. To connect to a WMS service, I first go to the website where the service link is published and copy the URL. Then, in ArcGIS Pro, I go to Insert, Connections, Server, New WMS Service Server. I paste the link, click OK, and the connection is created. After that, in the catalog, I go to Servers, and there I can see the WMS service and its layers. Now, the Web Feature Service. A Web Feature Service gives us access to vector features, and the big advantage is that we can copy features and create new vector layers on our own computer. To connect to a Web Feature Service, I do the same thing. I go to the website, copy the service link, and then in ArcGIS Pro I go to Insert, Connections, Server, New Web Feature Service Server. Once the connection is created, I can see in the catalog under Servers. As you can see, I can select features, inspect their attributes, and export them to create my own local vector layers. Finally, the Web Coverage Service. A Web Coverage Service provides continuous raster data such as terrain model, slope, or surface layers. Again, I start by copying the service link from the website, and then in ArcGIS Pro I go to Insert, Connections, Server, New Web Coverage Service. Once the connection is available, I can load the coverage I need, and just like with Web Feature Service, I can clip the data and save a local copy on my computer. Now, with these three connections, WMS Service, Web Feature Service and Web Coverage Service, ArcGIS Pro becomes much more powerful and ready for any GIS project. Hope you like it and see you in the next video.